हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ की क्रोनोलॉजी के बारे में बताएंगे। 1770 विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, द सेकंड सन ऑफ जॉन वर्ड्सवर्थ 1741 to 83 and his wife Anne 1748 to 78, born at Cockermouth, Cumberland, April 7, 1775, attends an Birkett's Infant School at Penrith, Westmoreland, while staying with his mother's parents at their mercer's shop there. 1776, day boy at Cockermouth Grammar School at least until October and may have attended intermittently for 2 full years. Much of his time certainly spent with Coxon grandparents at Penrith. 1778 to 87, at Hawkshead Grammar School. His mother died 1778. His father's in 1783. 1787 to 91, at St. John's College, Cambridge. 1790, first visit to France, Paris, November. Orleans, Blois, Paris, October. 1793, an evening walk and descriptive sketches, published. Walking tour by Salisbury, Stonehenge, Bristol, and Tinton Abbey to Wells. 1795, settles with his sister Dorothy at Ragdown, Dorset, meets college. 1797, visits college at Nether Stowey, Somerset, leaves Resdown and settles at Alfoxden near Nether Stowey. 1798, lyrical ballads, September, visit to Germany, September. 1798 to April 1799. 1799, settle at Dove Cottage, Tonand Grasmere, his home till 1808. 1802, visit to Calais, August, Mary Hutchinson at Brompton near Scarborough, October. 1803, first tour in Scotland, meets Walter Scott. 1805, his sailor brother John drowned at sea. 1806, lives at Colleorton, Leicestershire from October 1806 to summer of 1807. 1808, poems in 2 volumes. 1808, moves from Dove Cottage on Allen Bank, Grasmere, his home till 1811. 1809, the Convention to Sintra. 1811, moves from Allen Bank to the Rectory, Grasmere, his home till 1813. 1812, death of his 2 children. 1813, settles at Riddlemount, his home for the rest of his life. Appointed stamp distributor to Westmoreland. 1814, second tour in Scotland, the Excursion. 1815, poems 2 vol, first collected edition, the Wildo of Rylstone, begun 1807. 1816, a letter to a friend of Robert Burns, Thanksgiving Ode. 1818, two address to the freeholders of Westmoreland. 1819, Peter Bell, written 1798, the Wagner, written 1805. 1820, the River Dodon, a series of sonnets, miscellaneous poems, 4 volumes, second collected edition, revised. The Excursion, second edition, revised. 5th Visit to the continent, Switzerland, the Italian lakes, Paris, July, November. 1822, memorial of a tour on the continent. 1820, ecclesiastical sketches called sonnet in 1837. 1823, sixth visit to the continent, tour in the motherland. 1827, poetical works, 5 volumes, third collected edition, revised. 1828, seventh visit to the continent, tour up the Rhine. 1829, tour in Ireland. 1831, ride from Lancaster to Cambridge, a solitary equestrian. 1831, third tour in Scotland, visits Scott at Abbotsford. 1832, poetical works, 4 volumes, fourth collected edition, revised. 1835, Yarrow revisited and other poems, a guide through the district of the lakes in the north of England. 1836 to 37, poetical works, 6 volumes with 5th collected edition, revised. 1838, the sonnet of William Wordsworth, collected in 1 volume. 1841, revisits Alox Dunn and Tintin. 1842, poems chiefly of early and late years, called volume 7th. Resigns post of stamp distributor for Westmoreland, receives a pension of 300 from the civil list. 1843, appointed poet laureate in succession in Saudi. Dictates notes on his poems to Miss Henwick. 1844, Kendal and Windermere Railway, 2 letters reprinted from the Morning Post. 1845, poems, 1 volume, 6 collected edition, revised. 1847, Ode performed in the Senate House, Cambridge. 1849 to 50, poetical works, 6 volumes, given his final revision of the text. 1850, dies at Riddle Mount, April. The prelude began 1799, completed 1805, revised 1839, published posthumously. Thanks for watching.